Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of microSD cards and helping you choose the best one for your device. Let's get started. MicroSD cards come with various ratings like U3, V30, V60, and V90. These ratings indicate the sustainable write speed, which is crucial for video recording and data storage. For example, U3 and V30 mean the card has a sustainable write speed of 30 MB per S, which is 240 megabits per second, making it suitable for most high bitrate recording needs. For devices like the GoPro Hero 12 Black and DJI Mavic Air 2, which require up to 120 megabits per second for 4K recording, you need a microSD card with at least a V30 rating. These V30 rated cards have a sustainable write speed of 240 megabits per second, which covers the 120 megabits per second requirement with ease. Next, for smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which can record at 160 megabits per second in 4K, a V30 card will also suffice. With a sustainable write speed of 240 megabits per second, these cards ensure smooth video recording and playback. For dash cameras like the ThinkWare U1000 and security cameras like the Arlo Ultra 2, a V30 microSD card is also ideal. These cards handle continuous recording with ease, thanks to their reliable sustainable write speeds of 240 megabits per second. In summary, choosing the right microSD card depends on the device's bitrate requirements. For most high-definition recording needs, a V30 rated card is sufficient. Always check the specifications of your device and match it with the appropriate microSD card rating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and reviews.